Yo. Hey. Welcome to the hood. Smooth raps. Proudly independent. Triple C. Let's kick it. Check it. Yo. Your chick name is Hope. I stole the P, I left her with the hoe. I got ropes to hang, whack rappers with high hopes. Commercial cats got a cash to come. Remove the fucking letter T in rap, cause it's kinda killing the culture. Let me go gorilla. I met you with a boom bap. You see me beating on my chest like a gorilla. Lyrical and Jimmy Chochong. I don't jam with the juvies. Rap lines and this joint is like I write scripts for the move. Respect real rap, like Rastas on reggae. I'm still relevant. I rock Reeboks running relays. Had to do the wrong things right to get the straight deal. Only original OGs will really relate. Smooth rap, soul star changa, bring bars back in the radio. In the chase for knowledge, I feed minds and stuff the body, yo. The whole time I'm what the game has been missing. Now these motherfuckers wanna put themselves around my greatness. Bars. Yo. Yo.
Cape Town represent. Yo. Wat sê ons? Yes, ja. Kykie, die gaat voor Millipap en oats vroeg in die oggend. Peanut butter op my doring en my sak op pad school toe. Sy's lagateya van die guitar player. Navigate the future. Cause I too been doing this shit in a long time. Kicking flows yet getting recognition is so hard. Yeah, native called putting me on son. But no one gives an F about this dope ass out of mine. Still I keep myself up riding all night. Patient got me pushing rhymes at all times. Man, I've been doing this shit from day one. But rhyming got no bread, most of us are broke as not lying. Fuck Josie, even if it's a gold mine. Sony BMG can go shove it where it won't shine. Must keep party and see the phone is fun. Cause I'll never get the label's attention. This is a Cape Town.
Yeah. 5-6.
Cape Town! Yeah.